Hello, how you doing? Welcome back to How to Cook Great, Nice, Really Simple Pasta today. Okay, in a frying pan, I've got some olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. We're gonna add 1 cup of onion to that, along with 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped, salt and pepper. We're on an above medium heat and we're gonna go for just 4 minutes. So now those onions are just taking there and cooking down. Next step is we're gonna add 1 can of tomatoes, that's 400 ml. Now the tomato I'm using is a kind of mashed, as you can see. It's kind of a pureed one. If you're using a whole one, just crush it up in your hand. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, or oregano, as many of you call that. And then we're gonna go stay on this heat for another 4 or 5 minutes. Beautiful. Okay, I'm now going to add 125 ml of cream. I'm using what we call in the UK double cream. I think you call that heavy cream in the States, I think. But anyway, drop some cream in there. And then we're going to add also some cheese to that. I've got a cup of mozzarella cheese that I'm using and a cup of cheddar. You can choose the cheese that you want. I mean, you don't have to use what I'm using. Entirely up to you. Parmesan might be quite nice in there. We're going to cook that just for about another 3 or 4 minutes, and this is pretty much done. This sauce is really simple. So really nice and creamy, delicious, really beautiful that is. Okay, pasta time. So I'm using rigatoni pasta. You can use any type of pasta that you want. Just gonna boil that up, drain that off, and then we can move on. So in a bowl, we're just gonna mix the two together. Just get all of that beautiful sauce in there, give it a mix, and then it goes into an oven tray. Now you can use glass, you can use ceramic, you can use metal. I'm using glass. As long as it can go into the oven, that's fine. Get your oven on full blast, maximum heat. Just gonna top this off with a little bit more cheese. I'm not gonna go crazy with the cheese, but you can if you want. Do a nice thick layer. And again, I'm using 2 cheeses here. Just as a bit of a signature there, I'm gonna add a little bit more dried oregano. Pop that in the oven, about 8 to 10 minutes. Absolutely beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love.